Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, My IT Lab Tutor. Our today assignment of My IT Lab class is Excel 2G inventory. First of all, project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet to summarize inventory. And change the theme. Our first step is change the theme of the slides, rename sheet bulb and sheet 2 to trees, and then make a bulb and sheet to the active sheet. Here I am going to solve the step number 2, change the theme of the slides. Here is our Excel sheet, page layout. Now I am going to change the theme of the slides. Here I change the theme of the workbook is to slice. Now I am going to rename the sheets, rename sheet 1 as bulb and the sheet 2 as a trees. Now I am going for the rename the sheet 1. I am going to rename it is bulb, and the sheet 2 is a trees. And then now I am going to rename here, copy and paste to as in trees. I have done step number 2. Now I am going for the step number 3. To the right of the column B, insert 2 new columns to create a new blank column C and D. By using the flash fill into new column, split the data in the column B into 2 from item in the column C, category in the column D. Now I am going to solve the step number 3. Here is our step number 3. Now I am going to insert a column. Here I am going to column C. I insert a column. Now another column. You can see here I inserted 2 column C and column D. I inserted 2 column. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. I have done this assignment with 100% grade off point for my many students. Now I copied atom in the column B14, C14 and D14 category. Now I am going to using the flash fill. Here is flash fill. You can see here I flash fill by finding the remaining values for the cell. Here is the category. Now I am going to write daffodils. Here is our word daffodils. Now I am again using to flash fill. You can see here I have done the point number 3, step number 3. Now split the data column B and C for the columns country. Now I have done the step number 3. Now I am going to the step number 4, type atom. I have done already type atom in the column C and category as the column title. Now you can see I already done this point. Item, after delete the column B. You can see here cut and paste to. After deleting the column B, cut and paste to into column new column G. You can see here the values. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. I have done this assignment for my many students. And now I am going for the autofit from the column A to column F. You can see here I apply autofit to the column A to F. I have done the step number 4. Now I am going for the step number 5. You can see here display the trees worksheet and then repeat the step 3 and 4. Now I am going to display the trees. Now I am going to repeat the same step 3 and 4. First of all, we inserted 2 column. I am going to further insert a column. Here you can see I inserted a column. After inserting the column, display the trees worksheet and then repeat the step number 3 and the step 4 for the worksheet. First of all, we insert 2 column. You can see here I inserted 2 column. After inserting, we will use autofill. We have the atom and the category. Here is atom. After copy and paste into C15 and now category and paste into D15. After copy and paste the atom and category C15 and D15. Now we will use the value 783 into D15 and the word net trees into the D15 sorry. Copy and paste into D15. You can see here now I am going to use the autofill because I am going to repeat the step number 3 and 4 again. Now I am going to apply the flash fill. I have done this assignment for my many students. I am doing, you can see here, I apply flash fill for the value and for the word net. You can see here I find the value and the remaining word in the remaining cells. I have done the step number 5 by repeating the step number 3 and step number 4. Now I'm going for the step number 6. Make the following calculation to the worksheet. You can see here, delete the column B, cut and paste into column G. You can see here, and delete the column C. I have repeated the step number 3 and step number 4. You can see here, I have repeated step number 3 and step number 4. Now I am going for the step number 6. Make the following calculation each out of the two worksheets. Copy and paste into, cut and paste into column G. After cut and pasting into column G, we will delete the column C. You can see here, delete, cut, paste it into column G. Now I am going to delete the column C. Sorry, it's step number 5. We are applying the step number 3 and step number 4 according to the instruction. I have done the step number 5, display the tree worksheet and then repeat the step number 3 and step number 4 for the worksheet. Now I am going for the next step. Make the following calculation in each of the two worksheets without grouping the sheets in the B4. Now I am going to apply the formula in cell B4. I have done this assignment for my many students. You can contact me to find the solution. You will satisfy with quality grades. I am dealing whole class, whole semester and whole degrees for my many students. Now I am going for the next step. Our next step is step number 6. Here is our step number 6. I am doing the Excel 2G inventory is the major project. It's for the major project. It's a graded project of my IT lab class. You can see here Excel sheets. I have done the step number 5 by repeating the step number 3 and step number 4 and the trees worksheet. Now we are going to apply the next step for this Excel sheet. You can see here. Now I am going to the auto fit the width of column A to F. Sorry. Now I selected the column A to F. Auto fit the width of the column A to F. You can see here. I have done the step number 5 by applying the step number by repeating the step number 3 and step number 4. I have done the step number 5. Now I am going for the step number 6. Make the following calculation in each of the two worksheets without grouping the sheets. Now it asks make the following calculation in each of the two worksheets without the grouping the sheets. In cell B4, enter a function to the sum of function quantity in the stock data. Now I am going to the cell B14 to apply a formula in the bulb worksheet, I think. Here is our B14, B4. Now I am applying to the here is our bulb worksheet. Here is our B4. Now I am going to calculate the total atom stock in B4. Here is our total atom stock. I am applying to sum function. Sum function for by selecting the range A15 to A42. I am going to apply the sum function. You can see here I find the value 2847. In cell B4, enter some function quantity in the stock. Now I am applying the comma style and reduce decimal. Now I am going to apply the comma style and the 0 decimal. Now our next step is the average price. Average price, I am going to apply the average formula for the retail price. You can see here I am going to apply the formula for the averages from D52 to D42. Now I am going for the median price. I am going to select the range D15 to D42. You can find, I have find the value for the median. Now I am going for the minimum price, that's lowest price. By put the min formula for the D15 to D42. You can see here I am applying the formula for min. Now our the last step is the highest price. Now I am going for the apply for the max. That's the retail price value D15 to D42. I have find the values. You can see here I have done this step. Now here is our total item stock, average, median and lowest and highest. You can see here apply the accounting number format. Now I am going to apply the format that's called accounting number format. That's I have found the value. Now I am now going to apply the applying for the accounting number format. Here is our value. Here I applied the accounting number format. You can see here I have applied the accounting number format. I have done this question. Now I am going for the tree worksheet. We will apply same step. First of all, total item in stock. I am going to apply sum function for the quantity in stock A14 to A42. I am going to apply the sum formula. Now I am going for the averages. I am going to apply the averages. Average is our from retail for retail price D14 to D15 to D42. Here is our average. You can see here. Now next is median for the retail price D15 to D42. I am going to find the median, and the next is the lowest price, that's min for the retail price D15 to D42. Here is our minimum price. Now the last one is the highest price. I am going to apply the max for the retail price D15 to D42. You can see here I am going to find the all values, that is here. You can see here I find the values for the worksheet 3, total item in stock, average price, median price, lowest price and highest price. You can see here I applied some formula for the sum, averages, median, min and max. I find the values. I have done this assignment for my many students with 100% grades. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me. I gave my contact and track subscription link in description. Now I am going for the tree worksheet. Here is our tree worksheet. I have done the step number 6. Now I am going for the step number 7. You can see here, sorry, I am going to apply the format. Here is the format, accounting number format for the average, median, min and max. You can see here, and the decrease with 0 decimal. Here is increase decimal, and here is our journal. You can see here I have done the general format for the total item by using the comma style with 0 decimal. No, and the remaining for the averages, median, lowest and min, I had applied the accounting number format. I have done the step number 6. Now I am going for the step number 7. In each of the 2 worksheets, make the following calculation without grouping the sheets. In cell B10, enter accounting function. Now I am going to apply accounting function in cell B10 to determine how many different type of tulips in the stock, bulb sheet, how many different types of evergreens. Now I am going to find the value for the tulips and the evergreens by applying the accounting function in cell B10. If you need the solution for this assignment, you can contact me. I have done this assignment for my many students. I am handling whole classes for many students. Now I am going to apply the count function in cell B10. You can see here. Here is our B10. Now I am going to the countif function for the bulb worksheet in cell B10. Countif you are seeing. I am going to apply the countif function for the tulip types. I am going to find the tulip type counting function by selecting the range from F15 to F22 and typing the word tulips. You can see here I am going to apply the formula of countif function. That I have found the value for the tulips, and now I am going for the, you can see here, counting function in the trees sheet. Here is counting function. Now same from F15 to F42. Now I am going to type the word evergreen. Here is the word evergreen. You can see here I am pasted. I have done evergreen type in the trees sheet by applying the countif function. I have found the value for the evergreen type, and I have done the step number 7. Now I am going for the step number 8. Without grouping the worksheet, complete the following in each worksheet in G14 type stock level. Now I am going to copy the word stock level and I am going to paste into cell G14. Here is our cell G14. Inside G14 I am going to apply the word. Here is our word stock level. You can see here I copied and pasted the word stock level inside G14. You can see here I am going for the step number 8. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. You can find my email address on your screen. You can contact me. I gave my direct WhatsApp link in the description. I also gave my contact in description. You can deal with me for the whole class. I am doing for many students. I have done this assignment with 100% grades for my many students. You can see here I am here is our stock level. Now I am going to find the value for the stock level. I am going to apply the formula for the stock level. First of all, for the trees worksheet, same I am going to apply the stock level. Here is our word stock level. You can see here I am going to apply the if function. If is it's the logical function. A15 greater than 75 comma in true order, otherwise value false. It's okay, fill the formula. Now you can see here order comma okay. You can see here I am going to apply the if function in the for the stock level. You can see here I have find the word order. Now I am going to fill the formula for other remaining cells. You can see here I find for order okay order. You can see here I find the values for the other cells. I have done this assignment many times. You can see here I have uploaded some. I am going to upload the sum step for this assignment. So through this video you can contact me. You can deal me for the whole class. I can do for you with quality grades. I am always here for you. Now for the bulb worksheet I am going to same apply the if function in cell G15 A15 smaller than 75 comma order or order you can see here I am going to apply the if function. Okay, you can see here I have applied the if function. Here is our if function, stock level to okay. I have done the step number 8. Now I am going to for the step number 9. You can see here, without grouping the worksheet, apply conditional formatting. Now I am going to apply the conditional formatting. Step number 9, apply the conditional formatting to the range of the cell containing stock level, so that cells containing text order and formatted with the bold italic. Now I am going to apply the conditional formatting. Now I am going to apply the conditional formatting. You can see here, text that contain word order. Here is our custom format, bold italic. Fill color is our white background one. There the bold italic one font the tomato fill. Sorry, no color for the fill color. Okay, you can see here I have applied the conditional formatting for the cell G15 to G42. Now I am apply the gradient fill blue data bar for the range. Now I am going to apply the gradient fill blue data bar from the range A14 to A42. Gradient fill light blue data bar. You can see here I have done the step number 9. Okay, I am doing this assignment very well. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. I am dealing whole class, I am dealing whole course for my many students. You can find the solution of this assignment by contacting me. I have done this assignment with 100% grade for my many students. You will satisfy with quality grades. Here as you can see, I have done the. Now I am going to apply the conditional formatting for the tree worksheet. You can see here I have selected the ranges from G15 to G42. Now I am going to apply the conditional formatting. Here is our conditional formatting. Text that contain highlights, text that contain order. Now in the custom format, I am going to apply the font bold italic. Fill color is our no fill. Now you can see here I have applied the conditional formatting in the cell G14 to G42 for the tree worksheet. Now I am going to apply the conditional formatting for the gradient data blue gradient data bar for the A14 to A42. You can see here gradient fill data bar for the cell A15 to A42. Now I have done the step number 9. Now I am going to do the step number 10. In step number 10, in the bulb sheet, format the ranges A14 to G42 as a table with a header and apply the light orange table style light 20. Now I am going to apply the step number 14. You can see here step number 10. Sorry, I am going to apply the insert a table by selecting the ranges A14 to G42. You can see here I inserted a table. The color of the table. Now I am going to the table design. Light orange table style 19. You can see here the color of the light orange table style light 20. Choose another. Now I am going to this another point. Choose another style. Insert a total row. Filter by the category for the tulips and then sum the quantity in stock column. Record the result in bit 11. You can see here only select tulips. That's the value for the tulips. You can see here, and for the sum I am going to type sum, and for the atom I am going to calculate the sum for the atom. Item number, total row, I applied total row. Now I am going to apply the sum. Here is the sum. You can see I find the value, total value for the quantity in stock is 433. Now the total quantity is 433. Record the result in B11. I already recorded. Now I have done the step number 10. Now I am going to the step number 11. Select the table, clear the filter, sort the table on the item and column from the smallest to largest ascending, but then remove the total row on the page layout tab as print title. Now I am going to solve the step number 11. Select the table, readable table. I have removed all the filters. You can see here. Remove the filter. Column smallest to largest ascending order. Now I am going to apply the for the atom column. Here is our atom, smallest to sorted by smallest to largest. And the page layout inside the print title for the row 15. Now I am going to repeat the row 14 for the print title. You can see here our retail price, table design, remove total row, page layout, print title, row repeat. Here I select row 14, that's repeated for the print. You can see here I have applied the row 15. I have done the step number 11. Now I am going for the step number 12. You can see here is our step number 12. In the trees sheet, format the ranges A14 to 42 table. It has now for the trees worksheet. By selecting the range A14 to G42, now I am going to insert a table. I have copied the ranges A14 to G42. Insert table. I'm going to start a table. You can see here I have inserted a table for the worksheet trees. That's now I'm going to apply the style, green table style. Green table style. You can see here I have applied the color. And some quantity in the stock column record the. Now I'm going to apply the total row. Here is our total row and the selected all evergreens. Okay, you can see here. Now I'm going to find the value for the item. That's by applying the sum function. Now I find the value for the evergreens. Total evergreens quantity is 583. You can see here I find the value for the total evergreens is 583. Now I am going to remove the clear for the filters. You can see here I removed the filter, and now I am going to remove also total row. I have done this assignment for my many students with 100% grade. You can contact me if you need the solution for this assignment. I am always available here. My email address and my direct WhatsApp link is given in the description. If you want to contact me, you can find my email address on your screen. You can deal me for the whole class. You can contact me for the whole class. Now I am going to remove arrange the item from largest to smallest. I have done this assignment. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. You will satisfy. Now I am applying to print title by selecting the row 14. I have done the step number 13. Now I am going to for the step number 14. Group the two worksheet, merge and center the title across A1 to G1. Now I am going to apply the merge and center from A1 to G1 by grouping the two sheets, bulb worksheet and tree worksheet. I have grouped it. Now I am going to select the ranges from A1 to G1. Here is our ranges A1 to G1. You can see here A1 to G1. Merge and center the ranges from A1 to G1. You can see here I am going to merge and center the ranges from A1 to G1 and apply the title style. Now I am going to apply the title after merge and center. Merge and center. Now I am going to apply the title style. Here is our title style. Now I am going to apply the title style. You can see here. Now title style, merge and center the subtitle A2 across the ranges A2 to G2. Now I am going to select the ranges A2 to G2. That is our subtitle. Now merge and center, and going to cell style is our heading 1 cell style. You can see here I have done this assignment. Now I am going to apply the auto fit for the column. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. You will satisfy with quality grades. You can contact me. I have done this assignment for my many students. If you need the solution of this assignment, I am always available here. You will satisfy. You can deal me for the whole class. Here is the page. Now I am going to apply the custom footer. Margin is the horizontally. Change the orientation. Now I'm going to apply change the orientation to landscape. Here is the page after applying the header and footer. File in the left section, orientation into landscape. I have done this assignment. Okay, thank you so much. I have done the 15 point for this assignment. If you need the whole solution for this assignment, you can contact me. I can do this assignment for do with 100% grade. You will satisfy with quality grades. Okay, thank you so much.